Bara ya Kurua na mitugo wa unyitani wa kiahinya na uhahami wa andu kimwiri no irathie na mbere. Ica ikuhi kambi-ini ya mulikerani ya Kurua na ciiko ikirugurio mwena wa Kayole guku Nairobi, kuria marageria gucokaniriria mbeu njithi kuhitukira mithako. Anyiti itemi matiganite ni monanitie kwaga kuiganira ni thirikari, makiuga thondekaga mawatho ma Kurua na ciiko ici no indi matirutithagio wira. Riu makienda honge itiganite o hamwe na ministry kuoya ikinya niguo kuhukia ciiko ici na gutangikira iria ho.
We need our leaders to be accountable. We need our leaders to follow up on issues to do with rape and defilement, including offices like the Office of the IG and the ODPP offices on prosecution of perpetrators of rape and defilement. We need a follow-up from the Ministry of Health in regards to the PRC forms, the post-rape care forms, and how that feeds into the report, the larger annual report on sexual violence reported through the Ministry of Health.
Oho, anyiti itemi aya no maugite bara ino to ya airitu marioika kuonona mwana wa kahino wageragirio mathina maya kuria mamorite mathitangagia andu aria magereria maya makiuga ni kuri makinya ma kurumirira mundu agitungio ciiko ici.
When you say rape, people think of the girls more than the boys, but nowadays you even see the boys are also being raped. So we are targeting the youths, those who are in schools, the ones who have just cleared schools, because some think that when you are 18 or 17 someone can just do anything and get away with it, but that is our target.
Marauga mashira ma kuhahamwo kimwiri kana iretu anini kuhirwo mahu matiaragiririo kana kurumirirwo, kuona kaingi andu nimetigagira gucirithio ni muingi na maria mandikithio ceceni-ini iria ibatite cia borithi maticokaga kurumirirwo ringi, makiuga o matigwitikira maundu maya mathie na mbere na kwihotera gutetera aria othe matungio ciiko ici.
We need justice to be done to these girls, because a person who has defiled a girl like the 3.5-year-old girl, that person needs to be brought to book, and we can't sentence this person to 6 months. This is someone who has ruined the life of this young person, so we need that follow-up and accountability, and we need that these cases be given the weight they deserve in order for these cases to stop reoccurring and reappearing, because it's a cycle that is never ending.
Marorio atongoria marumagerera mashira maya makienda ministry ya githomo makiria rumirire watho wa gucokeria tu aria mohanda magithoma macukuru, makiuga ni uteaneirio muno guku bururi-ini.
We also need accountability from the Ministry of Education. There is the return to school policy, but it's not being implemented to the degree it's supposed to be implemented. So we need a follow-up on also why this policy is lagging behind, because most of the girls who are raped and defiled, either they end up getting pregnant. So that's teenage pregnancy. That is accounted for in the policy, the return to school policy, and we need a follow-up on the full implementation of this policy.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.